Gluing edge banding onto a project without the assistance of mechanical fasteners can be difficult. It should come as no surprise that the folks at Bessey came up with ideas that make this task much simpler for the woodworker. This review looks at 4 edge clamp variations that Bessey came up with. It is apparent that understanding woodworking and then applying their extensive engineering know-how has allowed Bessey to offer clamps that actually work as we expect, with the durability they are known for all over the world. Bessey's attention to design, precision manufacturing, and use of quality materials is evident in all of these edge clamps. It's also evident that Bessey's always looking to break new ground when it comes to designing special use clamps. The BEC3 3-way edge clamp looks simple, but it has some interesting capabilities. Using the upper and lower screws, you can position the center clamping screw so that it grips odd-shaped moldings. Need to clamp an edging strip, but have bar clamps in the way? Not a problem with Bessey's KT5-1CP and KT5-2 clamps. Because you can locate these clamps anywhere along the bar, they can come in very handy for working with odd-shaped edgings. Both of these clamps use the familiar Bessey red handle, and that turns the shaft with precision-made Acme threads to make applying pressure quick and easy. The ends of the shafts have a swivel-mounted disc that's fitted with a non-marring cover. While both of these clamp designs use the bar for support, there's a little difference in how they do that. The double shaft version has a U-shaped saddle that fits over the bar and is held in place by friction when the clamping force is applied. The single shaft version is a finger-operated locking knob that lets you secure the clamp wherever you need it on the bar. That lets you use one hand to hold the stock and the other hand to apply the clamping pressure. Perhaps the most intriguing of these Bessey offerings is their EKT-55 edge clamp. A system of arms and pivots mean that when you turn the single handle, 2 opposing clamping pads as well as the edge clamping disc all advance on the wood at the same time. And that makes it possible to hold the edging with one hand and apply the clamping force with the other. Regardless of the edging material being used, Bessey has an edge clamp solution that fits your budget and the job. If you are looking for edge clamps, the Bessey offerings are a win-win-win deal in terms of design, price, and quality. It just doesn't get much better than that.